How to change Pandora account password. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's get in. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser, and then in the source bar, search for pandora.com. You will land on the official page of Pandora. You need to log into your account, so enter your login credential as in your username and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and then move into settings. Inside settings, head over to account, and the option of password will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on the password. Once you click on the password, it will show you the option where you will be able to edit. All you want to do is erase the previous password and then enter the new one. Once you have entered the new one, click on Save at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, your password will be changed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change Pandora account password. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.